If you've ever wondered what it was like to be a billionaire in the 90s, today we are going to show you the lifestyle, the mansion, and how they lived. This house we're about to tour is not just big, it's full of old money vibes. Located inside a private estate in Agodi GRA, one of the most secured and respected areas in Ibadan. If you know, you know. This is where government house is. It's where the quiet rich stay, and this mansion was built to make a statement. Welcome to another mansion tour with Stunner, where we tour some of the finest and most luxurious homes across Nigeria. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because my next video is something different. I'll be showing you the top 5 neighborhoods where billionaires and politicians live in Ibadan. What you'll see will leave you wondering, is this really Ibadan, or is this AI playing tricks on us? I've toured many mansions across Nigeria, but this one made my jaw drop. We were welcomed by this massive heavy gate, like something from an old royal palace. The moment we stepped in, I had to ask the person who brought me here about the land size. He smiled and said, it's sitting on an acre. That's about 4,000 square meters of land. I launched my drone into the air to take it all in, and the first thing I noticed was the greenery. So many trees, flowers, and space, something you hardly see in modern developments these days. Then I looked around and saw the neighbor's mansion too. That's when it hit me. This area is for big boys only. Before we go inside, let me take you on a walk around this beautiful property. And while we're at it, please hit the like button and subscribe. It helps a lot and allows me to keep bringing you more mind-blowing mansions like this. The flowers are well maintained, and this orange tree caught my eye. Fresh oranges all over the ground. I feel like the workers are tired of drinking orange juice every day. Look at the side of the house. Perfect spot to put a rocking chair and just relax. Don't worry about the sun, the tree shade here has you covered. The walkway is well paved, and big shout out to the workers who have maintained it so well over the years. This compound has almost every plant. Banana trees, orange trees, palm trees. It's like a mini botanical garden. Now, take a look at the large open space in front. All grass, perfectly trimmed. If you're a developer from Lagos, please close your eyes before you start thinking about how to squeeze in 7 skyscrapers and 2 duplexes here. Before we step inside the mansion, I have to say, this place would be perfect for a movie shoot. Imagine a 90s Nollywood setting or a presidential scene. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. There's space to park cars right in front of the house, but when you're a rich man, you need a special place to park what's dear to you. And yes, this mansion has a 3-car covered garage. We actually entered the mansion from the garage, and the first thing that caught my attention was the kitchen. Just look at this, well polished wooden cabinets, marble countertops, and a center island with a built-in stove. Imagine this setup in the 90s. Now you understand what luxury meant back then. Beside the kitchen, there's a mini dining area, perfect for a quick snack or breakfast before heading out. But hold on, before we check the living room, let's look at the main dining area. Look at this table. The owner didn't hold back at all when furnishing this house. The chandelier hanging above it might even be as old as I am. Every corner here is giving pure old money vibes. Check out the shelf, golden detailing all around. The mirror, gold framed. Everything here says, I had money and I wanted you to know. If you think this is impressive, just wait till you see the rest of the house. This is the mini sitting room, nice and cozy. But now let's go to the main event, the living room. We're talking double volume ceiling, a grand chandelier dropping down from above, and a black leather sofa set that still holds its power. Welcome to his office, the place where $1 million contracts were signed. You can feel the power in this room. Everything here screams luxury. Look at the detailing on this table lamp. Trust me, you don't want to know the price. This is not your regular office setup. And yes, there's a bed in the office. When you're a billionaire, late night work is normal. Sometimes you just need to rest a bit and continue working. It's not easy at the top. Now check out the bathroom inside the office. Big, spacious, and pure luxury. This tells you one thing, he spent a lot of time here. So the bathroom had to match the lifestyle. No corners were cut. Now, with everything we've seen downstairs, just imagine what's waiting for us upstairs. Hang on, let's go there together. As we go up the stairs, take a look at the wooden rails. This is something rare, not just because it's expensive, but because finding a skilled artisan to do this kind of work is tough, and maintaining it over the years even tougher. Now look up, a golden chandelier dropping right in the middle of the staircase. From the lobby upstairs, you get a clear view of the double volume living room. What a sight! The detailing in this house is crazy. Every light fixture has a golden touch, just to remind you that money was not the problem here. There's another mini living room upstairs, overlooking the main one below. A perfect chill spot, especially for late evening family gist. To cut this video short, this mansion is more than just one house. It's a 7-bedroom duplex, a 4-bedroom bungalow, and 2 additional rooms in the basement. That's a full estate. Welcome to the master bedroom. The design reminds me of a 90s politician suite, red velvet sofa by the side, a massive mirror, and black cabinets with golden handles. Every room in this mansion is well ventilated, large windows everywhere. You can tell comfort was the goal. And before we wrap up, check out this master bathroom. It has a big bathtub, shower area, wash basin, water closet, and even a urinal. It's very spacious and still feels grand. If you are interested in this property, check the description below and reach out to us. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It motivates me to keep touring more unique and rare mansions like this.